I know cucumber salads are going viral all over the internet right now. I'm using a mandolin. Be careful about that blade because that thing is really sharp. I was making a salad earlier with this, and look at this. I also like using these like mini cucumbers. I think they're called like mini or baby cucumbers. They're a little bit softer. The skin on the outside is a little bit thinner. American cucumbers are great, but they're just so big. To that, we're gonna be adding some shredded carrots. Obviously, you can use like a mandolin to make these too, but I just like buying the shredded carrots out of the bag because you really only need like 1 carrot's worth. We'll start adding our seasonings. We're gonna be starting with some garlic. This is a garlic puree. You can use chopped garlic if you want, but the puree is just a little bit easier to work with. And you can use regular peanut butter, but I found this protein peanut butter, so I wanted to give that a shot. About 2 tablespoons worth of that. Some toasted sesame seeds, a little bit of honey, some roasted peanuts, and this is chili crisp. If you don't have chili crisp near you, or a store near you doesn't carry any of this chili crisp, I found this actually at Walmart. You can just do chopped up red pepper flakes. And our final ingredient, this is MSG. Go ahead, close this up and shake. It's almost like being at bartender school, but salad school. One more ingredient. You can eat it just like this. It tastes like a Thai peanut salad. It's so good. But I'm going to be adding one more thing just to make it a little bit more of a meal, and that's some shredded rotisserie chicken. Just put some in here. Put that lid back on. Give it another shake. Okay, and there's your salad. This is really good if you make it like the morning of or the night before. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a taste test right now, but I promise it'll be better a little bit later on today. Little sweet, little spicy chicken salad. Oh my goodness, this tastes like you just got it out of a Thai restaurant. It's so good. You better make this.